Yo, welcome to MixLab with Luka, where DJ skills get real simple. Hey DJs, welcome back to the MixLab with Luka. Today, we're diving into a clean, professional DJ skill, the loop-to-scratch transition in Virtual DJ. This technique lets you switch tracks smoothly, add energy to your set, and sound like a pro even if you're just getting started. This is an 8-minute technique with step-by-step guidance. Let's jump right into Virtual DJ. Before we start, here's what you'll need. Virtual DJ, any modern version. Headphones, 2 tracks, one for outgoing, one for incoming. Basic understanding of cues and loops. Don't worry if you're new. This tutorial keeps everything simple. Load your outgoing track on deck A and your new track on deck B. Check the BPM. If the incoming track is far off, sync it. Virtual DJ's sync button handles this in one click. We want both tracks to be perfectly beat matched before we loop and scratch. Play track A and find a good loop point, usually the last 8 or 16 bars before a breakdown or energy drop. You want a section that sounds stable and predictable, like a drum pattern or a clean instrumental. Set a cue point right at the start of this loop. When deck A hits the cue point, activate your loop. Start with 8 beats or 16 beats, depending on the energy you want. The key is to let this loop run smoothly. It creates a consistent bed to scratch over. Lower the bass on deck B to avoid clashing with deck A. Keep deck A's bass where it is. You'll bring the bass in later when the scratch transition is done. Find the section you want to scratch in, usually a vocal hit, a sample, or the first beat of the new track. Set a cue point right on the exact moment you want to scratch. When deck A looping, begin scratching lightly on deck B. Keep your crossfader in the middle or slightly toward deck A, depending on how much of your scratch you want heard. As your scratch pattern becomes smoother, begin shifting the crossfader toward deck B. At the same time, lower the bass on deck A and bring the bass in on deck B. This completes the energy swap between the 2 tracks. Once deck B is fully in the mix, cut deck A's loop. You can fade deck A out completely or keep it lightly in the background for a blend. You've now executed the full loop-to-scratch transition. Here are a few pro-level tweaks. Use shorter 2-beat loops for high-energy scratch drops. Add a filter sweep on deck A while looping. Use a backspin on deck A right before the scratch. Add echo out to clean up your outgoing track. And that's how you master the loop-to-scratch transition in Virtual DJ. If this helped you level up your mixing, smash the like button and subscribe for more DJ tutorials every week. Drop a comment if you want me to cover scratch basics, advanced transitions, or beat juggle tips next. See you in the next mix.